I play anything really.
This is Dakota's first time playing.
Let's not go into comp then. Enough of that.
Oh, definitely not.
I played for 17 minutes one time.
Record baby.
W.
Record babies.
How did he hit that?
Oh no, but that was kind of good.
Oh my god! How did I
Oh
hit
my
that?
god!
Yeah, that was kind of saucy.
Ah! Oh. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god.
What was that? Nothing to do with you. No, no.
Oh!
Watch out, dumbass die. Watch out, dumbass die. Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Like, Jules, I think he's gonna win.
Jules has gotten good, bro.
Oh, he's just lucky. Watch him die.
Damn.
Good.
Jules has gotten good.
Damn. Fuck off, bitch. I'm a dirty doer.
Dirty dog.
What?
He's a low down dirty dog. You bitch!
You still have that train mode, by the way?
Oh,
I
that
gotta find that one. I gotta find that one again.
Oh, what the fuck?
Holy motherfucker.
What pussies!
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! I can hear him! He's right behind me, isn't he? Never! Never!
Why are you running in circles?
Because you guys are not gonna catch me.
Okay. Let's say that. Hey, Jules.
What's up, bro? Who are we finding? Who's the Thomas?
Oh shit.
Where's he at?
No.
Who's Thomas?
Damn.
Pam.
Dakota's Thomas. Wait, no, it's you, Jules, you bitch. Oh, it's right there, Dakota!
Oh, he is right there.
I'm running.
Oh no.
I fell from out again.
Oh.
Damn, right as it started too, Dakota.
No! I jumped off again!
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, he's after me, boys! I died. Marco, what are you doing? He's sliding!
No. No! Come on!
No way! There's actually no. That's fucking
You guys need to see this from my perspective.
No, that's crazy! Then he just flies away.
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
He could be anywhere.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god. Dude, I just shit myself.
I'm just running through the fog. Fuck this shit. I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. Don't do this to me, man. Stop.
I'm toying with my prey.
Oh fuck.
Come here.
You can only see him come through the fog.
I just hear him go flying past me. Do this to me, man.
Oh no, 100th again?
10 seconds remaining.
Let me take hiding in your.
You motherfucker.
I hate that I can't see anything because of this fucking fog. Hunter, come find me. I'm hidden perfectly.
Oh, fuck that. He's coming.
Are
for
you?
I am.
Oh,
What's
that's
up, Hunter? You will never get me.
I'm gonna change this from.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He can jump on him. You lied to me. Damn, Hunter, you're zooming.
Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, you talking now?
Mwah. Mwah.
I want y'all to see this one.
Wait, I'm watching.
Man kills himself. Kills himself.
No, bro.
Bro starts flying.
No way. Ain't no way.
God damn!
Damn. Fuck him up, kid. Oh.
Damn! Fucking balls flying all over the place. Oh my god! How did I not die?
Jules, I want to know how.
Oh,
Damn,
Wait,
how'd
what?
I kill you, Dakota?
oh no.
Get the fuck out of here,
Warzone
Easy
victory.
peasy.
Let's get smooshed up.
Oops.
Thomas is awake.
Oh my god.
He's got blue balls.
Why can he see straight through the smoke? It's weird.
Because that's how it's supposed to be. You bitch!
So scared. So scared, Jules.
You better run, he's on your ass!
Oh,
He's on your ass, Marco!
Marco! Oh.
Oh wait,
fuck.
Come
I
on,
want to see what that looks like. I want to see.
I see you, Thomas. Or Marcus.
Marcus!
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Marcus is trying to fly.
What? Boy, what the hell? Ah, what? How did you get me?
Yeah, I need to see this from your perspective. Oh, you
I'm down on the ground. I'm on the
motherfucker.
ground! How did he kill me?
Marcus learned how to fly, bro.
Marcus, the flying train.
You're fucked, Marco.
Yeah, cause there's no way for me to win, bruh. There's no way for us to win.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Come on.
I'm trying to make it to the other part of the map.
Top 4 finished.
I think we should do Hog Rider. Or Hog Rider. We should do Roadhog versus Tracer.
Hog Rider versus Hog Rider versus Hog Rider versus
Yes.
Hog Rider.
4 Hog Riders. Who the fuck just made that noise?
What noise?
I just heard somebody say, "Oh,
Hit him with a hiccup.
that was definitely you saying Hog Rider.
I don't know, man. I heard a hiccup, bro.
I definitely heard Hog Rider!
I think you're just suffering from
I heard it again!
schizophrenia.
I heard it again!
He has a severe case of Clash of Clans.
All right, we're gonna play.
Oh,
Severe case of Clash of Clans.
There's something happening.